Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today I'm going to unbox Estetica Jamison for you. Now I'm going to show it to you in 4 different colors. I've reviewed Jamison many times before, and I will link those videos in the drop down box below this video. So be sure to go down there if you want to see my previous reviews of Jamison. But I think it's important for you to see how Jamison comes right out of the box. It's a super popular style, and I just want to show it to you in all these gorgeous colors. I purchased this with my own funds from Wig Studio One, so be sure to go over there. All right, let's unbox Jamison. Okay, let's take a look at Estetica Jamison. I have it at RH1488M. Now the M has no significance on the color. It is a manufacturer's code, and it really refers to how the color is mixed. So it is RH1488 is the color. Okay, it comes boxed like this. It has a hairnet. Take it out, and let's see, it has some just packing, of course. Of course, this is RH1488 with it, so it's not rooted. It's a non-rooted shade. Beautiful color. As you know, I love this color. It is so pretty. The 14 is the base. Of course, it's a honey blonde. And then it's highlighted with 88, which is all this light gold blonde. You get a beautiful blended shade here. All right, let's see about the cap. It has a lace front, a left mono part. Looks like there's going to be, as you know, a tiny amount of permatease here. Not much. There's not a lot in Jamison. But it's a nice contoured lace front. Felt ear tabs. Non-extended nape with hook adjusters. And there is some stretch. And let me just give you another look at this color. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, this is very large on me. Very, very large. So I'm definitely going to have to use the adjusters. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this is definitely large. So if you have a larger head circumference, you might, of course, be able to wear this. But it is really large on me. It falls a little in the face. As you can see, that doesn't work for me, so I would definitely steam this. I believe I've steamed all of mine. But for just a quick fix, I use a little hairspray. You've seen me do this so many times. Just pull up the front, hold it there for a second, and then you can kind of get it up and off your face. This is a temporary fix, of course. You would have to steam it in order to make it stay that way, but many times if I'm just in a hurry and I haven't had time to steam it, I will use just a little spray, hold it, and that does the trick. Everybody needs Jamison. This is a beautiful bob, truly is, works for so many face shapes. Let me show you the back. So pretty, lots of movement, very lightweight. It doesn't feel like you even have anything on your head. That's what I like about this. Just get your fingers in there and pull it away from the cap, and that'll give you a lot of natural movement. Okay, so the specs for Jamison. The front of Jamison is 10. My face is 9 inches from hairline to chin, and the front of this is 10. The crown's 11. The sides are 7 on Jamison, and it has a 4-inch nape. Again, the tiniest amount of permatease here, not much at all, but just enough, I feel like, to give you a little lift, which I think this needs. It's not completely flat to your head. It gives you just a little lift right there. I think it's a perfect amount. Okay, let's look at this in a few other colors. Okay, this is Jamison in the Silver Sun RT8 Ice Blonde, dusted with soft sand and golden brown roots. Silver Sun RT8. Okay, this is Jamison RH1488 RT8. It's the same as what we saw earlier, the RH1488, but this is the RT8. This is the rooted version. So it has this medium brown rooting, honey blonde, and light golden blonde with, of course, the darker root. RH1488 RT8. Okay, this is Jamison in Icy Shadow. This is my favorite color that I have Jamison in. I think it's so dynamic and fun. It's very similar to the Silver Sun RT8. Icy blonde with soft sand and golden brown roots. But what's different here is this has the dark brown underneath. I just like how that dark brown just peeks out from underneath this beautiful icy color. It's really a fun shade. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed seeing Jamison in all these different shades and the unboxing. Please join me again and have a great day.